What's up, you guys? It's your girl Feisty. We're here with another video today. It's just really gonna be a get ready with me, you know, a little update on what I've been going through in Dallas and how I've been living and what y'all miss. So let's just keep watching. And yeah, I already did my brows, so if you want to know how I did that, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video specifically dealing with the brows, you know what I'm saying? But right now we just want to do a simple beat. I might be going on a date later. I'm not sure, you know, don't want to get my hopes up. All right, we're going to start off with a primer because I have I've already washed my face and moisturized, and this is a primer that I've been using lately that I got out of my what is it called? BoxyCharm. So I just take a couple of dab. All right. And I like to pat it into my skin because it helps with erasing those pores. So you just want to pat that in there. Pat. I would do that for any primer that's dealing with the pores, like erasing your pores, smoothing out that stuff. I would pat it in, pat. The same way you do your foundation. Yeah. All right. Now that's that. We're gonna go in and deal with this foundation. The foundation that I'm using is Mabelline Fit Me. It's in the shade Coconut. 355 Coconut. So yeah, you guys, I've had like actually a few jobs since my last YouTube. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad. I mean, you just gotta get the money, you know. First come, first serve, but when a better opportunity presents itself, you have to go with it. So yeah. Oh my God, y'all. I have been meeting the craziest people. And this foundation is a tad bit lighter than me, but I like it like that because when it blends out, it's the perfect shade, because the next shade after this is actually too dark. And I don't like it. So I probably could blend them both, but yeah. This is a good everyday foundation, you guys. They have them in dewy and also in matte if you prefer that. This is not a new Real Technique sponge, but clean. Everybody, remember to clean your space sponges. Your application will be way better. So just dab it out. Y'all know why they say beating your face, because literally you're beating it. Beat it up. Nah, but for real. So I just use whatever residue is left on the sponge to blend in those brows and my forehead. I don't really like putting foundation on my forehead. And I just dab around the outline, and it just blends it without messing up anything I've done. The shape of my brows, just kind of blend it. Blend it, people. Blend it. And we are definitely going to get into this hair later. You guys, I did my own jumbo twist, rubber band jumbo twist, that is. Y'all know I'm growing my hair out and I'm natural. So I just be trying stuff. Recently, I let Sharika Bivens, if you're close to me, you know who that is. Woke Up Flexing is her name on Snapchat, and Sharika Bivens, I believe, is her name on Instagram. She does my hair. She's been doing my hair for years. I recently let her straighten my hair, y'all, and it did not last. She did a wonderful job, but it did not last. It did not. And I'm looking in the mirror, y'all, so if it looks crazy, like, what is she looking at? Is she not even looking at us? I'm looking in the mirror behind my camera. That's all. I'm just trying to. Okay. Bam! You see that? Check me out. Alrighty. Now we're going to go in with our concealer. So you guys, I have, and this is LAGirlPro. You know, everybody uses it. It's in the shade Toffee. Fuck with it. Very inexpensive, full coverage, gets the job done. No matter how much you use, it's all up to you. And we're just gonna put that here, 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 and the tip of my nose. This is, we're highlighting, you guys. You do not have to do this step. You could have stopped at your foundation if you're not a makeup girl, you know, and then went over it with a powder. And then just left it at that. But because I'm extra, you know, we gotta do the damn thing. So, you're gonna take the pointy end of the Real Technique sponge and just blend it out. Just blend it out. Drag it down. Blend it out. Blend it out, people. So, I've been dating you guys, and I don't know. I'm having to learn that just because you like a few qualities in a person don't mean y'all meant to be, you know? You gotta let them go. When they start showing you their true colors, let their ass go. You're gonna keep dealing with it. They're not gonna change. They're who they are, you know? And that doesn't mean that you can't be friends. You just have to stop wasting your time with these people that show you in the beginning that they not shit. Believe them. Why you didn't believe them? They showed you. Why you didn't believe them, you know? So that's what I've been going through, you know. Cutting people off immediately. Signs of bullshit. Immediately. So now we're going to go in with our setting powder. It is, powder. Air Spun. The first time I used this, I felt like it was too light, I believe. But it grew on me after a while. I'll take one of my old Real Technique sponges, and I don't use the same wet sponge that I use for my foundation and concealer. I use a different sponge, and I tap it into there, blow the excess off, go back under my eyes with the sponge to make sure those creases are done, and then we're just gonna pat the setting powder into my skin as well. Pat, 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 pat. I am not a fan of baking unless we are going out on the town, girl. I do not got time for that being ashy looking, because it is very easy for me to be looking ashy, and I don't got time for that. So you just press that in our skin. Everywhere you put the concealer, you're going to put some powder. And I also put it on my forehead just to help with the shine. Right here on my chin. I also use it to carve out my cheeks. It helps with the contouring. Just want to go, ooh, 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 just like that. And do it to the other side. Just like that. And just a little bit on my eyelids because they be getting a little shiny. I don't know why. My eyelids are shiny. I don't know what that's about, but yeah. All right, after that's done and we're looking all crazy, this is a little contour palette I got from the beauty supply store for like $1, and this is a Real Techniques brush. I think it's a blush brush, but I use it for my contouring of my cheeks. I take the dark, this was a lighter shade on this side, but as you can see, it's going. Take the darkest shade and I'll carve out those cheeks. Look at that. Look at that. I go up just a little bit because I don't wear blush. I do not wear blush. Same side. Same to the other side, I mean. Contour on the forehead makes it smaller if you have a large forehead. If you have maybe a large neck at the bottom that you want to slim or chisel down. Also, contour. I'm going to go in with Fit Me, same shade as the foundation. It's called Coconut as well, in the powder. And we're going to just wipe away all of this excess powder that we have gotten us looking all crazy. And I don't wipe, like swipe under my eyes. I just dab the brush into the powder and I press right under my eyes. I like to do that. So you guys, I've been dating a guy I really like, but I'm scared to see exactly where it's gonna go. I'm not even gonna lie. Because the last person that I just really, really loved and liked and just were all about, they're gone. Like, they died on me. Like, R.I.P. my nigga, man. Like, real talk. R.I.P. to Nell Brown. I know you're here with me right now, laughing at me, but you shouldn't have left me, nigga. But yeah, people don't understand that I'm still fucked up off the situation. Like, they don't know. Like, I have my moments where I just want to bust out in tears, and I can't tell you why. You don't understand. I could tell you, but you're gonna be looking at me like I'm crazy. Next thing we're gonna do is put on our foundation. No, our foundation. Really, Jay? Put on our mascara. That's the name of it. That's it. Just like that. I have little lashes. I can't wait to get the real deal lash extensions done. I can't wait. I just can't wait. Put it on the bottom as well. Do not forget to put the mascara at the bottom, people. It just makes everything just pop. Especially if you have big eyes like me. So, yeah, you see how fast this look is coming together? I forgot a step, you guys. I like to chisel my nose with this brush here. These brushes that I've been using that are blue, this is called Color du Jour. You can follow them on Instagram as well. The lady that came out with this is amazing. Her work is amazing. I fell in love with her a few years ago and just had to get her brushes. It was like 32 of them or something. Okay, so I go in with this brush with my contour and just kind of slim the nose out. I have a slim nose. I just kind of it just makes it, I don't know, I just like the way it looks here. You see that? Oh my god. And to like bring it down some because it might look a little too strong, I just go back in with the powder brush. We're gonna go in with our setting spray. This is a cheap setting spray by e.l.f. at Walmart, Walgreens, places like that. You can get this. Just a quick mist. Alrighty, misting your face right before you put your highlighter on will make it boom. You know what I'm saying? Like boom. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be using Fenty Beauty today in the color Hustle, baby, Hustle. My artist couture brush I usually use this for my highlighter, or I like to use this brush. This is actually an eye brush, a blending eye brush, but I like to use it for my highlighter. So I'm just gonna take that, boop, 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 boop. And if you know me, you know I like to shine. So I'm probably gonna be a little extra. Probably, okay, I'm lying. I'm gonna be a little extra because I don't know how to act. Yeah, one day I did my makeup, my mom was like, you cute or whatever, but you be doing too much with that highlighter. I know you see me shining. Don't hate. Y'all, there's no rules to makeup. If you like the way something looks, you rock it. It's on your body. It's on your face. Nobody can tell you what right brush to use. Nobody can tell you that shit. I mean, if you're trying to go work in Sephora or something, you're going to need to know which brush is just for which. But once you've mastered that, you use whatever brush works for whatever look you're trying to go for, okay? Y'all, act like you don't see this miracle happening over here. You see it. Period. Little Rock, if somebody asked me about Little Rock, I've been to Little Rock recently, but every time I go, I'm kind of disappointed. I'm not even gonna lie. I think about the whole reason why I left in the first place. It's like, damn. I'm gonna do my eyeliner really quick, you guys. Get that popping for you. And after I do that, we gotta get into these lashes. Lashes. Oh my goodness, isn't this so fucking cute? Okay, so remember earlier I was telling you about my homegirl that does my hair? Well, guess what? She is also starting a beauty line, and right now she has lashes. Lashes. She got all different types, all different lengths and stuff like that for me to choose from. Even has her name right there, Sharika Bivens Beauty. That is so fucking awesome. Look at the box. Bam, they're inexpensive. Go check my girl out. We're finna see what these is talking about. Bam, baby. She don't got a name for her lashes yet, y'all, but these right here, she needs to name them Feisty. Just for me. I'm just saying. Shout out. I'm just saying. So for the eyeliner, we're using Mabelline. What is it? The Black is Black Eye Studio. I like this instead of, I can do whatever. I can do the liquid, you know, the liquid sticking in with the line. I can do that. I can do it all, you know. It's all about an artist, you know. And my skills are amazing. All right, I'm gonna do this other side, and then we're gonna snap these lashes on. Her lashes also come with this, an applicator and a spoolie, so you can comb them out. We're just gonna place the lash. And if you feel like your eye or your lash might be a little longer, then you cut it before you apply. And cut it from the corner of the eye rather than the end. You'll mess up the style or the wisp, or, you know. Just make sure you do that. You're gonna take one end, place it. Just like that. Then you're gonna take the other end, place it. Just like that, like magic. With my favorite lip gloss from Victoria's Secret, Strawberry Fizz. Tastes so good. Get the job done. And when he kiss you, it ain't too sticky. And it tastes good. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe, like my video. Let me know what other videos you would like to see. Thanks for watching, you guys. Come back and see me.